Hi guys, welcome to Netgate Chemistry. So in this video we are going to discuss some of the previous year questions from the part of solid state which are being asked in the IIT JAM exam. So first of all, I apologize for this cutting which is there. Actually I was writing down this part and by mistake I wrote it down here. So I apologize for that. So moving ahead with question number 1, it says that the first order reflection of X-ray, first order means n is equals to 1, and they have given the plane, that means HK and L values are also available. For copper crystal is observed at glancing angle of 22 degrees, theta is also given. We have to find out wavelength lambda of X-ray in picometer. Also they have given the copper is forming FCC crystal with unit cell edge length. So the unit cell edge length, that is A, is also given to us. So first of all they have given n is equals to 1, that is first order reflection. Now we have to find out the value of lambda. Okay, they have given A, that is edge length. A is given 361 picometer. Now basically we have to find out lambda. So in order to find out lambda we have to use this equation, Bragg's equation, n lambda is equals to 2d sine theta. Now if we look at this equation, then basically we know n, we have to find out lambda, d we don't know, theta we know. So first of all we have to find out the value of d. Then after substituting all these values, n, d and theta, we will be getting the value of lambda, right? So first of all we have to find out the value of d. So for finding out d, we know a formula, that is a upon root under h square plus k square plus l square. So we have been given a plane as 2 to 0. So we have the values of h, k and l as 2, 2 and 0. So we'll simply substitute the values of a and h, k and l. So we will be getting 361. So edge length is in picometer and we need to find out wavelength in picometer. We need not change the units. Now 361 upon 2 square plus 2 square plus 0 square. So it will be 361 upon root under 8. So this is the value of d. Now we'll substitute the values in this equation. We know n is equals to 1 into lambda is equals to 2 into d. D is 361 by root 8 into sine of 22 degrees. So here you will get the value of lambda as 2 into 361, right, upon root 8 into sine 22 degrees. So now you can solve this by your own and I'll be telling you the answer. The answer will be around 95.6 picometer. So this will be your answer. You can solve this part by your own, right? So the answer is 95.6 picometer. Now this is the first question. Now with this we'll move on to the second question. The second question is actually really very easy. So basically they want to find out the ratio of nearest neighbor distance in BCC and FCC with the same unit cell edge length. That means A is same for both. So basically if we talk about BCC structure, then in that case nearest neighbor distance, which we define as d, is equals to root 3 by 2a. This is the relation between nearest neighbor distance and the edge length. Now if we talk about FCC structure, then in that case if we talk about the nearest neighbor distance, then that is equals to a by root 2. So these are the relations in case of BCC and FCC. So the relations are between D and A. Now unit cell edge lengths are same, so we need not play around with the A values here. So basically we have to find out the ratios of these two D. That is D in case of BCC divided by D in case of FCC. So we have to find out D in case of BCC divided by D in case of FCC. Now putting these two values, what we'll be getting? Now you can take this denominator above by taking the reciprocal, right? So we will be having root 3 by 2a. This will go up after reciprocal like this, right? So these 2a will cancel out, this will cancel out with this, and we will be having 3 by 2 under root, right? So if we look at the options, so option A is the correct option, right? So this is the second question. So I wanted to discuss these two questions in this particular video for solid state. So I hope this video was helpful for you. So far that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.